previously recorded. Then let me start stirring again.
Getting right, my damn arm hurt.
What you think my arm be doing, babe?
That's
how you know you whipping it real good when your arm be hurting. What you say? They put some mozzarella cheese on top. And I was doing a video to, when I was on the live the other day. One of y'all had asked me what about doing something. Good morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Today, I'm about to take y'all out here and let y'all see what Bay is doing outside. We went to Home Depot yesterday, y'all, and we bought us some yard tools. So I'm excited to see him put this stuff together so that we can put it to use. So yeah, he don't really want me to record, but I told him, I said, babe, we got to get this footage, of what we got and you putting it together and stuff. So I'm gonna let y'all see what we got, but I'm about to first of all, I want to say welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. If you was new, only thing I ask y'all to do is ring the doorbell. That means hit the thumbs up, the like button, and also make sure you subscribe and turn your post notification bell on so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video or come live. So y'all, let's just go on out the door where he's at so y'all can see what we got and what he's out here putting together. Good morning, honey. Good morning, honey. What you putting together?
Weed eater, honey.
Bay is putting together a weed eater, y'all. So we got us a weed eater, and it is a home light weed eater, and also we have us a chainsaw. So Bay is out here being constructive this morning. It's nice out. It's not really even that cold, is it, Bay? We thought it was gonna be cold. Look at the bees. The bees coming. Y'all know that's a good sign when you see the bees and stuff. They finna start pollinating things and getting everything to start blooming and being beautiful and pretty. Nice and windy out here, but it's nice out. It's really not even cold. So yeah, I'm about to let y'all see what they doing. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Okay, so look like he's trying to put the little guard on. Is it simple? Not really all that much screwing and stuff, babe?
Huh?
I say, is it simple? You don't really have much screwing to do?
No.
Okay.
I just put this round on. Put this on.
You just put the handle on. Okay. And he just put the guard on. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so now he about to do the chainsaw.
Chainsaw got nailed and take out the box.
Oh, that's it?
That's it.
Oh, okay.
It's 2.6.
And so in the with the weed eater look like this. Babe, show him the weed eater.
I should have got me a gas tank.
Oh yeah. That's alright, we got that milk jug for right now. Come on, come down, cause I don't wanna So he got a weed eater. Okay. They go the string up there, the little gas on the bottom.
It's the run, half clutch, full clutch, cut on the stop,
Okay.
pressure 3 times, fresh gas tank. Don't hold that much, probably about nothing.
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 A cup.
Yeah. And that's that baby running right now.
Hold on. Okay.
Go this way.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
That's it.
All right. So, babe, you ready?
Yeah, I ain't gonna start today.
I know, but get it to running. Put some gas in it and run it. Let it run. Show them what it came with.
You gotta mix this with the gas. You gotta mix this with the gas right here.
Okay.
You gotta mix that with fresh gallon of gas.
Okay.
Oh shoot, the elements right here I was looking for. I thought I wouldn't got my own out the house.
Okay, so then he got the Ryobi chainsaw, 14-inch. Never
Big
used a never used a chainsaw before.
Alright, so the chainsaw, let's see. I'm like myself. Pop this out. The chainsaw look like it. This is the chainsaw. This is the arm chainsaw. 14 inches. Got the safety guard right here on him. That's good. Just in case it like to back up. You know it won't hit you, so it'll catch you right here. I always have your gloves or your safety glasses on when you do.
Some long clothes, sleeves, pants.
That's your wire right there.
Starter.
Got your pusher again. Oh, this the clutch again. That's a clutch. I'm gonna take this be the automatic stop.
Okay.
And it comes with the guardrail, protector.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah, I'm be ready about this. I'm be ready.
Hey.
I got some work to do. Man, I got it.
I'm ready too.
Comes with this. Another thing of arm. I'll show you why. I'm like, get this stuff. It comes with it. You know,
But
you
it say on the
that.
box, don't leave it. Okay.
Same thing it is.
Same thing.
Yeah, just that one black.
Okay.
Instructions, how to do it, how to use it, how to put it together.
And that's the thing, the tightening. So you gotta tighten something up because they gave you the little bar.
All right, that's it.
It must got a screw or something you gotta tighten up. I know what that's for. That's for the you know how you put the little T thing in there to lock, to help tighten the blade on it a little bit more to keep it from flying off or something. All right, y'all, you ready to close the video out, babe? You done?
Yeah.
You got string and all that stuff that go to the weed eater.
It's string
Oh,
right here.
oh, okay.
Thank y'all for watching the video. You know, at Tiana, I can only be me /Moneybag Rock. You know what I'm saying? Love, couple, marriage, shit happens. That's what we do over here. Appreciate y'all for watching. Wasn't no loan, but we was in here. Now I'm free to read this menu and see what's going on with the chainsaw, because I never used one before. So they say it's like crawling and walking. I never walked the talk, so I had to learn. So I guess I'm gonna learn. Thank you. We out.
Okay. But we just looking at this, y'all. We trying to figure it out, which basically nothing to figure out. We just making sure that the chainsaw oil and the weed eater oil is different. Both of them look the same, but they're different color containers, and I don't know if this the weed eater or the chain. Give me that.
It's chainsaw.
Yeah, this is the one for the chainsaw. And it's 2 different bottles, 2 different colors, but it say the same thing almost. But they say mix with 1 gallon of fresh gas. And I guess that's what we'll be using for that. I don't know. But we're just trying to figure out how you got to use these and if you can use them for the same, you know, use the weed eater oil for the chainsaw oil and vice versa. So that's all. We're just trying to see what's going on so we don't mess nothing up. Right, babe? Right, so we don't mess nothing up.
All in the same box now.
You know what's what?
Yeah. Oh, this is going in the trash can. I need this because a lot of work.
Don't throw all that stuff away. You love to throw away boxes. We might need to save this for a minute just in case something go wrong. Gotta take it back to the store. You love to throw away boxes. Put all of it in that one box right there. Alrighty, y'all. Bay call itself closing out the video. So I hope y'all enjoyed it so far. I got some things that I need to do. So I want to thank y'all for coming. Y'all don't forget to ring the doorbell, hit the thumbs up, the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. And until the next one, this your girl Tiana. Not gonna be me. Y'all be blessed. I love y'all. Peace out.